Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless ignition, parking sensors, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2013 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, navigation system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.